We are approaching Yom Kippur, the Day of Atonement, 5785. In the Torah, Yom Kippur is described as Achas B'Shana, a singular day, one day of the year, unique, that brings atonement to the Jewish people and to the entire world. The theme of the day is unity, singularity. The high priest in the time of the temple, one unique individual, would enter into the Holy of Holies, a unique space of revelation. So the theme of unity should continue today. That Am Yisrael, we should remember that we are one people, unified with a unified mission to transform the world, connect to the one God, to Hashem, and bring Hashem's light and goodness into the world. Gemar Chatima Tova.